This is my earning of day 18 of 525, and we trade BDS. So let's go to the official Telegram channel and see the signal given tonight. Yes, it's given Wi-Fi and buy more. So we go to the BDS again and to the bottom second, that is codes. It's written codes. We click codes and we find the signal Wi-Fi and we find it here. We click Wi-Fi and the indication is buy more. So we click buy more and buy short is the option. The indication given by the official is buy more, so we click buy more and we confirm and we confirm. That is how we trade BDS. It's easy and simple trading.